continues to work in accord with the Order of the Knights of Rizal. This harmonious alliance commemorates the Philippine national hero and propagates his virtues, teachings, and ideals. As such, the association has remained to be a simple, non-partisan, non-sectarian, and non-racial civic and cultural organization. Thank you. We'll turn out that we are actually reminded of that distinctive attribute and don't think that this organization is good only for beauty pageant. In fact, this is their way to raise funds for their different projects. So let us continue to support their different endeavors. And again, thank you for joining us tonight. Before I will continue to the next part, may I request those people at the back, please pay attention because it sounds like we are at the market. Once again, calling the attention of those people at the back, please pay attention. O kung hindi pa naintindihan, pwede po ba tumahimik po tayo para marinig natin ang kasunod na parte ng ating programa ngayong gabi. Salamat po. As I've said, as we continue the next part, please join me and allow the Ihang Rizalista Montreal Chapter President to properly welcome everyone here present tonight and to give her short message. Folks, let us put our hands together as we welcome Lady S.P. Manao Balance, President, Kababaihan Rizalista Montreal Chapter.
Hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It is my pleasure to officially welcome you to our induction of officers for the year 2026-2029 and to the Ginang Maria Clara Fashion Show 2026, showcasing the talents of our beautiful contestants. I wish them all the best of luck. I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for joining us today. I would also like to acknowledge the presidents of the various organizations in attendance, as well as our guests from Toronto, who have traveled despite the inclement weather, including two of our judges. And finally, I would like to acknowledge our guest speaker, Madam Michelle Sentapwe, MNA for Montreal Ultimate Riding. Also for MP Anthony Housefather, thank you for coming. And without ado, I know you're waiting now. We cannot wait. Who's gonna be winning for this for tonight's contest? So I'd like to welcome everyone and enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Lady S.P. Manao Balance, for that warm welcome. So as we are now welcome into this prestigious gathering tonight, I hope that everybody will enjoy as we proceed to our program. Tonight, we are so lucky to have him with us, despite a very hectic schedule that he has every single day. He is not a Filipino, but definitely he is a Filipino by blood, for he always supports different Filipino activities here in Montreal as well as Ottawa. Friends, it is my honor to call this person who is very much supportive of every Filipino gathering. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as we welcome the Honorable Member of the Parliament, Honorable Anthony Housefather, for his message.
Thank you so much, Cynthia. Now, in a room like this, where it is very difficult to use the sound system properly, thank gosh we have somebody like Cynthia as the MC, because she actually can be heard in the entire hall.
Yeah.
And that is not an easy thing here at St. Gavin's.
That's right.
So, thank you, Cynthia, for always being the best MC in the room. And it is an absolute honor to be here tonight with my dear friend and colleague, Michelle Saint-Lapuy, our member of the National Assembly, Lady Espy, and all of the ladies of Rizal, and all of the many Knights of Rizal and organization presidents who are here. Jose Rizal means more to the world than almost anyone. He was not only the founder of the modern Philippines, but somebody who inspired people across the world to do good deeds. And tonight, the fashion show, the contestants raising money for charity, everything that the ladies of Rizal and the Knights of Rizal do are inspired by the vision of Dr. Jose Rizal. And recently, I think many of you heard the speech of our Prime Minister Mark Carney in Davos, where I think a lot of what he said was inspired by Jose Rizal. The order of the world is changing, and we need to do good in the world. And we cannot do anything but stand up to a bully. We need to work with others with common vision to make sure that we can continue to have a more normal world. And Jose Rizal was looking for a normal world where people were colonized and everybody was treated with respect and with dignity. And all of us deserve that. So, in closing, I look forward to going back to Ottawa this week, where we're passing an extension to the GST tax credit, where families with 2 children will get an extra $534 for groceries and other essentials. And senior singles will get another $254 for groceries and essentials. But everybody getting the GST tax credit will benefit, and we know how expensive things are. We want to make sure that we help. So have a wonderful evening and good luck to all the contestants.
Thank you so much, the Honorable Anthony Housefather. That inspired us. Thank you for sharing the good news of additional rather than paying more. So we gain, whoever lose, sorry. At this time, I am so proud to present to you some of the new members who joined the Kababaihan Rizalista to be inducted tonight by none other than Sir Ray Balanci, former Eastern Canada Regional Commander, and with Lady Espy Manawag, assisted by Sir James de la Paz and Sir Dario Bucco to distribute the certificate to our new members. Calling our new members, As soon as I call your name, please proceed in the front. I'm calling Miss Margarita Rosales, Miss Lorna Kakatian, Miss Marcelita Locke, Miss Daisy Fernandez, Miss Marisa Lasaten Taclan, Miss Catherine Nunez, Miss Almalin Castillo, Miss Jocelyn Raynon, and Miss Lorna Kapalunga.
Where are they? Yeah, no, guest speaker siya. The guest speaker. Kang, ay nakabihis na siya ng...
Ay, nakabihis na siya, no? So, okay lang, hindi?
Hindi na kasi nakabihis siya ng ano. Sabi mo, wag na
A bit of a correction. We will now induct first the officers. So may I call on all the officers? I think Lady Jocelyn Reyna, Lady Almalin Castillo,
Go, go, go.
O yan. Andiyan si Ate Cora, no? Saan?
Kasi nag-bis ka na.
Nobody can do it. Go for it. Basta sama.
Puti, cream.
So sorry. The new members, can you please come back? There are just some mix of the new members, once again, Margarita Rosales, Lorna Kakatian, Marcelito Locke, Daisy Fernandez, Marisa Lasata Taclan, Catherine Nunez, Almalin Castillo, Jocelyn Raynon, and Lorna Kapalunga.
Yeah, ang member pa kami nila, ano, ng ano, isang lista. Ayaw ko mag-shoot nito.
Mic test.
Check one.
Mic test.
simbahan.
You have to read that pledge. So, as a member, I, as a member of the association, Kababayan Resalista Incorporated of the Philippines, solemnly swear that I shall uphold and obey strictly to the Bibles of the Kababayan Resalista and other duties that they shall require from me, and shall voluntarily perform this obligation without hesitation or any intention to avoid. So help me God. Signed at the City of Montreal at the province of Quebec, Canada, on the 7th day of February 2026. Thank you.
Congratulations to all the new members. May I also call the Knights of Rizal to please join them here in the front. Sir Ray Balanci, Sir Dario Buco, Sir Jerry Danzil. Once again, congratulations to all our new members. So the Knights of Rizal, please stay. And the Honorable House Father, please stay there. Madam SP. We will now give the certificate of honorary member. This certificate is presented to, is hereby fully accepted as an honorary member of the Latam du Rizal, Kababaihan Rizalista Incorporated, Montreal Chapter, given the 7th day of February 2026 in the city of Montreal, in the province of Quebec, Canada, signed Lady Esperanza Manao, Chapter President. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to welcome Madame Michelle Tetlacqui. Later on, we will hear the response of our honorary member. For the meantime, I would like to call on one of the members and officers of Kababaihan Rizalista to give us the introduction of the guest speaker tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Lady Rebecca Loso.
Lady Merly, she's sick. Merly Valiente. Rebecca is sick. She's sick.
Okay, Lady Rebecca cannot make it tonight, so on behalf of Lady Rebecca, Lady Merly Valiente will give us the introduction of our beloved guest speaker. Thank you so much. Very good evening to everyone. Kindly please listen because I will introduce our guests. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we celebrate women of courage, virtue, and heart, just like our iconic Madame Maria Clara. It is my honor to
holding their roles such as official, opposition, critic for higher education, vice chair of the Committee on Labor and Economy, and member of the Committee on Public Finance. She also champions ethics, democratic institutions, and international relations, representing Canada as Vice Chair of the National Assembly Delegation for Relations with Haiti. Their dedication and vision for their community remind us of the strength and grace we celebrate tonight. Please give a warm welcome to Lady, now is a lady because she's a member for tonight, as an honorary member. Please welcome a warm welcome to Lady Michelle Zitla.
Once again, let's all welcome our guest speaker tonight, Lady Michelle Setlakwe.
Bonsoir à vous toutes, bonsoir à vous tous. C'est un réel plaisir et un honneur pour moi d'être avec vous ce soir. Good evening, everyone. Mabuhay. It's quite an honor to have received this honor, this recognition as an honorary member of Les Dames de Rizal. I will cherish this and I am really greatly honored. Thank you so much. It's truly a pleasure to be with you this evening to celebrate the induction of your new officers. Such an important milestone for the ladies of Rizal. This occasion also highlights the upcoming Maria Clara fashion show, inspired by a cultural icon of grace, dignity, and strength. Please allow me to extend my warmest congratulations to all those being inducted tonight. Your willingness to serve, to lead, and to carry forward the mission of the Ladies of Rizal is both admirable and inspiring. Leadership like yours is essential, not only within your organization, but within the broader community you so proudly represent. I would also like to share on a more personal note, I'm always genuinely happy to join you at your events throughout the year. Although I must say I prefer going out in the summer and joining you when it's warm and beautiful outside in our parks. But I'm happy to be with you tonight. You are such a close-knit community, and it's truly a pleasure to spend time with you. To see the strength of your bonds, your solidarity, and the warmth with which you welcome others. That sense of connection is beautiful, and it speaks volumes about who you are. Your commitment reflects the strength of women's leadership. Leadership rooted in community engagement, cultural transmission, and solidarity. You remind us that when women lead, they do so with purpose, compassion, and vision. Tonight's Filipina fashion show and the modern Maria Clara gowns represent far more than beautiful designs. Through these garments, you are telling a story. You are honoring a heritage, celebrating identity, and expressing the resilience and elegance of Filipino women across generations. Let's give a warm hand of applause to all the beautiful, strong ladies in the room tonight. Congratulations to you all wonderful and distinguished women. The Filipino community at large plays such an essential role in the social fabric of Quebec and Canada. Through your generosity, your sense of community, and your constant involvement, you contribute every day to enriching our collective life. Organizations like the Ladies of Rizal are invaluable to our society. You build bridges between generations, you highlight the essential role of women, and you strengthen our shared sense of belonging. Your mission is also deeply connected to the legacy of Dr. Jose Rizal, a national hero whose values of dignity, education, and equality continue to inspire. Through your activities, you proudly carry these values forward here in Quebec and beyond. Again, thank you for inviting me to be part of this special evening, and thank you for your warm welcome and the special recognition. It's an honor to recognize your dedication, your leadership, and of course, the beauty of your culture. Congratulations once again to the new officers, to all the participants in the fashion show, and long live the Ladies of Rizal. Merci encore, une petite touche en français. Merci encore pour votre accueil et je vous souhaite une excellente soirée.
Thank you so much, now Lady Michelle Setlakwe. May I request all the members and officers of Kababaihan Rizalista to please come forward to have your photo taken with Lady Michelle.
Everybody.
And so with the Knights of Rizal, please join our ladies. Members and officers of Kababaihan Rizalista, please come forward. We have Lady S.P. Manawag, the President, Vice President, Lady Rebecca Losloso, Secretary, Lady Maria Cristina Apuya, Assistant Secretary, Lady Raquel Trinidad, Treasurer, Lady Lolita Sideres, Assistant Treasurer, Rizalina Licudan, Auditor, Lady Prese Carpio, Assistant Auditor, Lady Villain Papa, Business Managers, Lady Gemma Lanova, Lady Mercecia, PRO, Lady Alma Tablada, Directors, Lady Stella Tablas, Lady Doris Tabuoy, Lady Laura Antenor Cruz, Lady Rosie San Juan, Lady Mary Jane Munoz, Advisors, Lady Merly Valiente, Lady Elvie Maximo, Lady Fele Rosales, and the chapter founder, the late Lady Lina Fernandez. We do remember you. Of course, our new members and the Knights of Rizal, please join them. So you'll take the photo. Afterwards, we'll have the induction of the new set of officers.
That's
calling Lady Mercia. Are you here? Please come forward. So we will now have the induction of the newly elected officers.
Ano natin?
Ay! Ano na? Nangyari?
Ito, siyempre, umaasa pa rin ako sa'yo.
Maglita ka ng mga kasama mo ba?
The newly elected officers will be inducted by Sir Ray Balanci.
Okay, good evening to everybody. Beautiful officers of the night. Okay, Jalista, please raise your right hand and follow after me. I, mention your name, elected as, solemnly swear that I shall uphold and perform to the best of my ability the duties of the position for which I was elected in accordance with the values of the Kababayan Rizalista Incorporation. Montreal Chapter, Quebec, Canada. In such other duties that they will require from me in relation with you. I shall wholeheartedly shoulder the obligations of said position without hesitation or any intention of avoidance. So help me God. Thank you, ladies.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, our newly elected officers of the Kababaihang Rizalista. Congratulations to all of you. Thank you to all of you.